If you can't decide between tacos or pizza, you do the next best thing.
Sandwiches. Oh no. Taco pizza. The first thing you want to start with is a good base, and chili powder is a great base. Chili powder is not all that spicy, so don't be shy. Next, cumin. Cumin is a seed from a plant in the parsley family, and it's used in cuisines all over the world, and you can't make taco seasoning without its elegant earthiness. You gotta spice it up, right? Taco seasoning is taco seasoning because it's got a little kick. Garlic powder. Now, you could just put straight garlic in it, but taco seasoning's a dry mixture. Garlic powder is the next best thing. Onion powder, same as the garlic, and it goes. Now, this is kind of funny. You don't want to overboard this. You don't want it to taste like Cinnamon Toast Crunch in the morning or Cinnamon Toast, but a little bit of cinnamon helps round out the cumin, and it's kind of one of those things in taco seasoning where you're like, yeah, I don't know, it's just pretty good. And then last but not least, just a little whisper of ginger powder. Ginger powder is like a blanket on a nice cold day. And of course, you gotta season it, so a little bit of salt. And that, my friends, is taco seasoning.
Game day!
Now, the first thing about doing taco beef is you want nice, hot heat. You want the pan like nuclear. You want caramelization on the meat. When you see caramelization on the meat, that means flavor. And my boy Rob and I are all about big, bold flavor. And then right in with your ground beef. That's a lovely sound. And here's a really good tip. Don't move it right away. Just let it sit there in that hot oil, develop the crust, and then it's really simple. Spin it up and season it. As the beef starts to brown, this is a perfect time to season it. I'm not gonna put any pepper in there because that dry mix is pretty spicy. It's got a lot of good notes to it, so just a nice kiss of salt. Now, let's have a look. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Little bit of crusty bits. It's starting to cook down, and then it's so simple, go right in with your homemade seasonings. I like it flavorful, so I use a lot. That is taco beef. Done.
Y'all done with the beef over there?
Yeah.
Perfect. Guess what?
What are we doing?
It's pizza dough time.
Okay, I know you're the pro at this. Just 1 second here. Okay.
Okay. Super easy, Spence.
All right.
Just follow my lead.
I'll follow you.
Sure, show me the dough now. All right, little flour on the board.
Okay.
Grab your dough.
Thank you.
Now, the key to any good pizza is making sure it looks like a little pizza before it'll ever be a big pizza, okay?
Okay, how do we do that?
We're gonna start just making our ball nice and round, gently flatten it out. Just gonna start with the flats of my fingers, pushing from the middle out and developing that little crust. Give it a quick flip. Same thing on the other side. Now, Spence, you know those old Italian movies, the guys?
You don't understand what they're saying?
But it looks awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Now, here's the move.
All right.
Bring it into your right hand, drape it over.
Right hand?
Or left, whatever's easiest.
Yeah, I like left.
Okay, go left.
Okay.
The other hand up.
Yeah.
And you're literally just holding it here. You're just like shooting a free throw.
Okay, show me. I'll watch you do it first.
Okay.
Okay.
Just like that.
Pretty good.
Oh, bud.
Pretty good. Okay, mine's good. Okay, you show me one more time. I really like it when you do it. Man, yours is so nice. Okay, beautiful. All right, let's build these suckers.
Okay.
You sauce, I'll beef.
You got it.